Flood warning in effect until 10:30 p.m. this evening. Reflects the flood advisory. Flooding caused by
Aerial flood warning.
Where? A portion of northeast New Jersey, including the following
Another
counties:
one.
Bergen, Essex, Passaic, and Union. When? Until
Another
10:30
aerial
p.m.
flood warning.
Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams.
We're in the car right now.
And flood to all locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall.
Yep.
It will take several hours for all the water from these storms to work through local drainage systems in urban areas. Additional details: at 8:40 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 0.8 and 1.3 inches of rain have fallen.
Another aerial flood
Additional
warning.
rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area.
What is it?
Some locations that will experience flooding include Patterson, Passaic, Wayne, Plainfield, Bloomfield, Linden, Orange, Ridgewood, Summit, Milburn, Ramsey, Pompton Lakes, Caldwell, Hawthorne, Clark, Fairfield, Union, Clifton, East Orange, and Irvington. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded
Another
roads.
aerial flood warning.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flood warning in effect from late tonight to Thursday morning.